Yo, what is up people? How are you guys doing? Kamusta kayo mga Earth? Nakita nyo na naman ang pagmumukha ko na to. At today, tingnan nyo naman. Look at this. Got some rose bush going on here. It's spring, so kaya naman yung mga bulaklak natin sa hardin is namumulaklak. Yeah, it makes sense. Bulaklak na namumulaklak. But today mga Earth, hindi ko concerned ng mga flowers dito sa hardin ko. I'm more concerned on my car dahil lang sasakyan ko is medyo luma na, medyo kakarag-karag na. Pero today I'm so excited because kukuha ko ng bagong sasakyan. Hindi basta-basta sasakyan to mga Earth. Ano yung pinakamabilis na sasakyan na mabibili nyo sa market. So ngayon nagre-ready pa lang kami. Meron nga pala akong bisita dito. Hindi ko alam kung pwede natin siyang isama dahil most wanted po siya. Dito sa Amerika. Miyembro po siya ng ating pinagmamalaking US Navy. So, thank you for her service. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? At ngayon mga Earth, nakabalik na tayo. At ito nga pala, ang bago kong sasakyan. Look at this. Nice Jeep right here. Look at that. Yun yun naman. Payaman. 4x4 siya at yeah, ito lang nakayanan ko eh. You know, I don't have enough money to buy a nice car, but I think this Jeep is just enough. De joke lang. Hindi ito yung sasakyan ko. Doon to sa sinasabi kong Navy friend ko. So, yeah, papunta pa lang kami para kunin yung sasakyan. Alin?
Subscriber ko. Kasi yung mga naka-subscribe sa nagsusubscribe din sa akin.
Subscribe talaga eh. Dapat may subscribe, hindi subscribe. Subscribe kasi Tagalog eh. Anyway, we are here na McDonald's. At tapay lang kami para kumain kami ng breakfast. Breakfast. As you can see right now, I'm very pumped up because, you know, like I said, I'm excited. By the way, this is not my car. This is just my friend's car. You want to be in the vlog? Sure. So, this is my Navy friend. This is actually Cheryl's best friend, so she's kind of my best friend too, you know. And she's ES Ninang too, so kung may ninong ang Tondo, may ninang ang Amerika, ang Alabama. So yun. In fairness, Navy siya. Saan ka pa?
Saan banda?
Saan ka pa? What? Sino yung nagbubusina? Okay, well, too bad. I'm waiting for my food. And as you can see, nag-iba yung kulay ng video natin ngayon because I finally changed my picture profile. I used to do a I don't even have to explain this, but yeah, you can see the color is different now. It's a little more kind of how am I supposed to say that, babe? Yeah, I'm just tired of color correcting on you know, on Adobe Premiere Pro. That's why I changed the color. It's automatic. Yeah, my color is gonna be automatic from now on. She's not so excited because she's still asleep. It's 8:36 in the morning right now, and this McDonald's is taking forever. In the Philippines, di ba mabilis mas. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-McDo sa Philippines, mahirap kasi kami doon eh. Ganito dito, is pang mahirap lang din. Kumbaga standard lang siya, but in the Philippines, we never go to McDonald's. If, you know, we only go to McDonald's or Jollibee if there's an occasion. You know, sabihin na nanay ko, oh, lika, birthday mo ngayon, punta tayo sa Jollibee. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And then we get some, you know, rice and chicken joy and then soft drinks. That's about it. You know, we're happy about it, and can't imagine how excited we were whenever we you know, pagpupunta kami sa Jollibee or sa McDo. Feeling mayaman kami. Oh, yeah, ito na nga nakuha na namin ang aming sasakyan. Yeah, you like the car?
Yes.
Yeah? She's like, yeah, you know, basic stuff. Anyway, as you can see, it's not Chrysler anymore, and it's not brand new, but for me it's new, you know. It's the Mazda minivan. I wanted a sports car, but a lot of people are against that, so I'm like, how about let's go get a minivan? Why you look at me like that? So ano tingin mo? So that's my old car. So we just got home, and you guys know my old car. Luma na pero laging maaasahan natin na sasakyan. Of course, it's old, so there's a tendency na all of a sudden bigla siyang masira. But this car, napaka-reliable niya na car. This has 104,000 miles on it already. Yeah, like what I said, this car is good, but he is about to go to school soon. And yeah, Cheryl needs to drive something else because this is my work car. This is my mountain bike car. This is basically my, you know, this is a car just for me, I think. So I ended up buying Cheryl a Mazda 5 minivan. Okay, so what do you think about the van, babe? Huh? Pwede?
Ganda.
Ganda?
Yeah.
Worry ka lang eh.
Kung nga ganda nga. Gusto ko nga eh.
Gusto mo?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hindi, sosoli ko na eh.
No.
Ubus yung pera na at aray ko. Ow. Okay,
No.
sige na. So I really like this van because I got this for a very reasonable price and it only has 78,000 miles on it. So it's a pretty good value for what I paid for it. And check that out. Got a sunroof or moonroof. What is this? Is this a sunroof or a moonroof? Comment down below. So this car is not brand new because, you know, I can't afford a brand new car because mahirap lang kami. Natutuwa talaga ako dito. Pitmal. Pit. Ayos to ah. So that car is still my favorite. That's still, you know, I still like that car. I'm not gonna ditch that car because that car's been with us for like 5 years. It's like our family member right there, you know? Actually, that car is more reliable than some of our family members. And sa lahat ng feature ng minivan na to, meron akong isang pinaka-favorite. The main feature is, this van is hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa.
Hindi lang pamilya, pang sport.
Look, I can fit my mountain bike in here and I can still have space for Iya, and for dog, I'm gonna be sitting here as a driver. And for Cheryl. So, yeah, hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa. If you're a 90s kid, you'll understand what I'm saying. Dog! What's up, dog? What are you doing here? Give me a high five. No, 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 no. No, you can't get in there. No, you can't. You're not supposed to be in that car. Pag may sapin na, tsaka ka sasakay, okay? Give me a high five. High five. High five. Come on. Bella, give me a high five. Good girl. Since malapit ng birthday ni Cheryl, this is actually basically a gift for her because it's her birthday on May 26. So, yun na, pa-birthday, pa-Masko at pang-bagong taon, pang-Valentine's Day na to. Pang lahat ng okasyon na yan. Tipid. Ilan ang naubos mo? Inubos niya na lang. Dahil may bago tayong sasakyan, test drive na natin to. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Sara muna natin to. Let's go! So my first option was a Chevy Impala. It was a police version. It was around the same price of this. My second option was actually a used Mustang. Di ba, babe? Kasi parehas ng price nito. So, stig sana yun, babe. No, Mustang. Mustang! But you know, it's not gonna be really practical for us if I get a sports car. So, imbis na poging sasakyan yung bilhin ko, well, bilhin na lang ako ng di lang pampamilya, pang sports pa na sasakyan. Para, di ba? Kasi, di ko na kailangan ng poging sasakyan eh. Kasi pogi na ako eh, di ba? What? So, pag minamalas ka nga naman, traffic pa. Kaya ganito yung pagmumukha ko kasi sobrang liwanag eh. Aw, wawiw, wiwiw. Oh no, ay tatlong karambola. That is a bad wreck. So here, most likely, pag ikaw daw yung nasa likod, ikaw yung laging may kasalanan. Kawawa yung mga nagbanggaan na yun. Dapat kasi nag-iingat sila eh. Dapat di sila nagpa-vlog pag nagda-drive. Pag gano'n.
Tomorrow.
Yo, good morning mga Earps. Second day with this van and it's 10 a.m. in the morning and we are about to go to the DMV to get this car registered and makakuha na rin kami ng bagong plaka or plate number. But unfortunately, Sabado pala ngayon, so I didn't even think about it. Yesterday, I was so hyped up and I was like, yeah, we're going to the DMV tomorrow para ma-register na and makakuha ng plate number. And guess what? Sarado sila. And my Navy friend Bea is actually pauwi na siya. Papunta na siya ng California. So Bea, ingat sa biyahe. And what do you think, babe? Maybe kain na lang tayo sa labas? Ha? Saan mo gustong kumain? Doon tayo sa mura na madumi pa. Madumi ba talaga doon?
No.
What's up, baby? Iya. What's wrong with you? Iya, you wanna go to the restaurant? So this device will let me know kung mayroong pulis sa kapaligiran ko. So kapag may pulis, mag-blip-blip siya. So alam natin na kailangan natin umayos, ha? Para hindi tayo matukhang. Radar ba tawag dito, babe? Yep, radar, yeah. Seatbelt, everybody. Iya, you got your seatbelt on? Yeah. Yeah, you got your seatbelt on, mommy?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go. May pera ka?
Wala.
Naiwan ko yung marit ko.
Maghugas ka.
Patay. Yun ang mga we're just done eating here. Mura na madumi pa. And John Greg Bersano Pakit. Shoutout sa'yo tol. 10 years na siya nagre-request na shoutout eh. Pero lagi ko nakakalimutan. You know, I got memory issues. So, shoutout sa'yo man. Shoutout din kay Mark Mangilya. Shoutout din kay Glenn Mendoza Tubo or Tubo. Shoutout na rin sa mga bukakoy ng Bulacan. You know. Shoutout din kay Ping. Munti ko na makalimutan. Si Pinky Amor Mayor. Yun, shoutout sa'yo. Doon sa mga nagpapa-shoutout, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Kung nakalimutan ko kayo, of course, you know. Memory issue. And Iya decided to sit all the way back there. You don't like us, Iya?
I like this car.
Oh, you like the car, not us. Shoutout din nga pala kay Kobe Flores, birthday niya nung April 5. So, shoutout sa'yo, or pamangkin ni Cheryl. An advance happy birthday din kay Mika Flores. You know? So, last na, shoutout din kay Emmanuel D. Tan. Yun, munti ka na makalimutan. So, mga ERP, kita nyo naman, may pulis sa harap namin. Ayan o, pulis. May pulis sa harap namin. Nag-alarm-alarm yung alarm natin. So, gumagana siya. Ayan, palayo tayo na palayo. Mawawala na. Mawawala, mawawala, mawawala. Come on, mawawala ka na! O, di ba? So, gumagana siya. Pag may pulis, bigla siya mag-blip-blip-blip-blip-blip. Hold on, man, there's a police. O, di ba? Sabi sa'yo eh. What do you think?
Galing naman.
Galing, no? So, pag medyo nag-speeding tayo, tapos nag-blip-blip-blip yan, that means we have to slow down. Ako pa naman, minsan nawawala ako sa ulirat, lalo pag nakikinig ako ng music. Minsan, nag-speeding ako ng konti. Pero hindi naman masyado. That's a bad habit. I'm trying not to do that a lot, but, you know, like I said, if I'm playing music, I can't stop. Ayos! Iwas tokhang to.
Daddy, we're back home.
We're back home. Pwede siya. Nakakapaglakad-lakad na siya from over there all the way down here. Pwede? Yes, say pwede.
Pwede.
And that's about it, mga ERP. Maybe let's wrap this vlog up. And what are you doing? What's up, dog? What's up, dog? What are you doing, dog? Anyway, let me know what you guys think about this, you know, this minivan. You know, if you ever own one, and maybe you can give me some tips and tricks and hacks, or maybe some kind of advice about this car. And this one is still gonna be my everyday going to work car. You know, I'm not gonna forget about this car because, like what I said, this car's been with us for years. It's old, but it's working fine. It's totally working fine. There's a lot of damage inside, but I can feel it. This car will still last, you know, for maybe 5 more years because it only got 100,000 miles on it. So yeah, this is still a good car. That's it, mga ERP. Like, comment, and subscribe, and lagi nyo tatandaan, love, peace, and happiness lamang. I'll see you in my next video. Peace!